I enlisted in the Air Force right out of high school when I was 18.
I wanted to join the Army probably because my dad had joined, and ever since I was little, he's been like my hero. So I've wanted to be like him.
Ever since I was 9, I kind of wanted to join the military. And then the Navy because they're kind of everywhere and I wanted to travel at the same time.
I got my associates while I was a reservist, so I'm already halfway there to a bachelor's. Now that I was out of the military, it was 100%, I need to finish my degree.
My wife is also a veteran, and she graduated from Rutgers-Camden in 2017 as a nurse.
My dad is a Rutgers alum. His brother, my uncle, also went to Rutgers, so it was kind of already in the family. So I looked into it relatively quickly when I decided to go back to school.
I knew I was coming to this area, so I decided to look up military-friendly schools. I found Rutgers-Camden, and I saw that they were one of the top most military-friendly schools. So I dug into it a little bit more, and I called here and they were very helpful with getting everything going.
As I searched out for schools in South Jersey, I had seen the veterans page, I had seen their Facebook page and all the good feedback they had gotten. And then when I finally decided to come up here, went to the veterans office, met Fred and the staff, that really sold it for me.
Fred's pretty much like the veteran whisperer. So like if you tell Fred that we need something here, it's gonna get done.
And everybody says, you know, it's great to give back, but I've really, what I call, it's real, what I do. It was real when I was in the service. It was real when I came out as a policeman for a long time helping people. And now I'm helping the young men and women that are coming home today. The office couldn't exist at this time now without dedicated student veterans that helped me.
I knew there was paperwork, but I didn't realize what the timetable was. So I went to them and they just helped me right off the bat.
It just makes it easier to have this office and that guidance, and also like just that culture. You can come here and talk to other veterans like, what did you do, what did you do, and help you out through the process.
We have activities where the veteran service officers from around Camden County, so close to Rutgers, come into the school, they talk one-on-one with the group.
There's a lot of great things going on here at Rutgers-Camden that other vets should be wanting to be a part of.
If there's a veteran out there thinking about coming back to school, Rutgers-Camden is your place. It's not like any other school. I don't think people realize what we have here at Rutgers-Camden, and that we have a director who sincerely cares. We're opening, friendly, we want to hear about your story and want to be there for each other.